I was recently lucky enough to get hold of this rather wonderful antique Yale lever padlock. Still works perfectly, despite probably being older than me. So let's see if we can get this picked. From the key, it looks like it's got 7 levers inside, but I think one of them is actually fixed, just to stop stop wrong keys from working at all. So it's actually only got 6 levers. Takes quite a bit of tension because of the springs on the levers, but it doesn't appear to have any anti-pick or anything like that. So once you've got enough tension on it, it's actually not too bad. Usually opens fairly quickly for me. One set. 1, 2, not ready. 3. That's set. 4, 5. Feels set. Sometimes it acts a little bit tapered. It's just something at the front of the lock, not ready yet.